In this video, I'll show you how to set up and create an account with Amazon Seller Central. Before you become an Amazon FBA seller, of course, the first thing to do is to create the account so you can validate it, verify it with Amazon, and then of course create listings and start the process. This is the first thing to do. In this video, I'll guide you through on how to open and sign up to Seller Central and what you actually need to prepare before you sign up. What's up guys, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own brand selling private label products on Amazon and of course some other marketplaces as well like Etsy, eBay, Walmart, and create this scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell so for every new video that I release you can get updated and notified and keep yourself up to date. Okay, so before you start, you want to really choose the plan that you're going to sell with. I suggest that, just for the beginning, because anyway, let's go here. Yeah. So at the beginning, because anyway, it will take you time if it's your first time selling and you create an account. It will take you time to set up the listing, to create shipping plan, and take you like at least 45 days to sometimes like 90 days until you will start selling your first product. And if you're on individual plan, it will cost you like it will not really cost you anything like $40 a month. It will only cost you like 99 cents a month for whatever you actually sell. So it's going to be free. But if you are going to be on the professional plan until you start selling, you'll pay $120, something like that. So sign up as an individual and then you can switch to professional, because once you sell more, I would say like 10, 20, 30 items a day, it doesn't make sense to be on individual plan. What you actually need to create an Amazon seller account: you need to have a business email address or Amazon customer account. I suggest that you sign up with your own, like you hopefully you decided already on a brand. But if you didn't decide, then you can use a Gmail or like try to have your own brand, like your own domain name. But if you don't, you can use your own Gmail. Make sure you have a credit card, you have a government ID like identity verification, protect sellers and customers. I do have a video that explains everything about verification. Make sure that you watch it. I'll put the link up in the video, like up there on that video, and it will actually will guide you through on how to verify your account. It's a big deal, and most chances that after you sign up, you'll not be approved to sell right away. They will ask you to do a couple of verification steps to confirm that. So check that video after you signed up. Of course, you need tax information if you sign up as an LLC or as a company, like your EIN number and all of that. You need your phone number, of course, a bank account where Amazon can send it and proceed with your sale. So for the payments, they will wire you the money every 2 weeks. So I want this video to be practical and over my shoulder, so I will go ahead and actually create a new account right away with you. In order to do it, I will need to enable my VPN. I don't want Amazon to really think that I'm trying to create another account. It can give me some problems, so I'll join and connect to the VPN. And let's go to that link, sell on Amazon, and sign up. Okay, now they will ask you for email. I don't have an Amazon account. I'll click create an Amazon account. So for the name, sourcing monster, email tomer sourcingmonster.com, password, whatever password, like let's do password generator. Generate. Okay, I do have like a, let me open notepad. Let's put the password here. This we can close. Password, password, next. Okay, please solve the puzzle so we know you are a real person. Okay, so DMMEYA. Okay, verify the email address. Okay, let me pause this video for a moment and get the code that is sent to my email. Okay, so this is the code that I got. Let me put it in here. Create your Amazon account. And now we will start the process of signing up to Amazon. Country, I'm gonna choose US, but you can do it from like many countries are eligible to sell. Uh, you could, what if my country is not listed? You can check here all the countries that are allowed to sell or not. So please check back in the future. They telling business type. I will choose here. I'm an individual. Sourcing months. Of course, you're gonna change it to your name. Agree. Wait. Okay. Now country of citizenship. Let's do U.S. Country of birth. U.S. I'm gonna put like passport ID generator. I'm using all these generators because I'm just putting like not real data just to proceed. But let's generate an ID, passport number, and let's do the date. Uh, issue December 20th, or expired December 19th, 28th. Okay, country of issue United States. Okay, business address. I'm gonna put like my address, fine, or my state, Florida, city, Miami. Okay, now SMS. I'm gonna put one of my Google Voice. Okay, so I got the code, verify, and now I should be able to start and click next to the billing stage. I'm not sure if they are going to ask me here for credit card. I hope not. Okay, billing, a bank account. I understand. Uh, add bank account. I don't know. Bank account generator. United States. Visa. Okay, bank account. Okay, so this is like again, this is just demi data. Don't use it, of course, because they will reject you. So the institution name, it's here. Financial institution not found. First, direct, I don't know. Account holder name, sourcing, monster, routing number. Sorry, bank account, here, here. 20. New banking account. Okay, so basically, I cannot really proceed with the sign up because they want like a valid bank account and card, but the process should be pretty straightforward. I'll try now to find some screenshot. I'll post the video and so you can see what is actually going to be needed in the next steps, like step number 3 and okay, so I was able to find a resource for that by this guy, by this blog, my Amazon guy. And as you can see, this is the step that we already covered. This is the second step where you put your billing and like the seller information, like the credit card number and where they're actually going to deposit the money. And then the last step would be like to the verification step. The verification step is actually where you put like your like we actually went through this process but it's basically things that you need to like some of the details that we mentioned here, like the email address we already put, the credit card, your ID, the tax information, you're individual so you don't have, but if you're an LLC you need your EIN number, the phone number in the bank account. That's it. How it's actually look, it should be self-explanatory. It's fields that you have to fill out, and if you have any question you can leave them down below in the comments. I will definitely help you and guide you and answer all your questions personally. I hope you got value from this video and it's a little more clear to you on how you can actually sign up and create your own account on Seller Central. Again, if you're a beginner, start with a free plan, start with individual plan. Then once you source the product, created the listing, shipped everything, which will take you probably 90 days or even more or even less, but you don't want to pay for something that you're not really using. So make sure that you change it to professional once you actually start selling. That's it for today. I hope you again got value. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.